Hello, I'm Sipasi Olalekan Ayodele, the founder, Protect Ozone. I founded Protect Ozone in the year 2015 on my way to Addis Ababa when the airline said, on behalf of every passenger on board, we are planting a tree to combat ozone layer depletion in the flight's origin, which is Ethiopia. So on my way back, we got to Muritala Mohammed International Airport. They told us that, thank you for using Ethiopian Airline. Next time, kindly consider a flight for your tree, without a promise of planting a tree. As an agriculturist and a professional farmer, that challenged me. But I was unable to fit my challenge, to fit solution into this challenge. But I got qualified for Yali RLC, Regional Leadership Center, here Accra, Ghana. So I came, I was intimidated by the profiles of my colleague. I thought we were into competition. For 3 days, I wasn't talking. The third day, I raised my hand in class and I was able to make my voice known by telling the whole class of 105 participants that I am Sipasi Olalekan Ayodele from Nigeria and I'm a farmer. That actually marked my liberation. And it was interesting to know that all other 8 countries were actually willing to partner with me because of my idea and what I've seen as a gap in the West Africa corridor. Now, getting back to Nigeria after my training, Yali actually helped me to know something, that we should concentrate more on what we need to do and not what we want to become, as opposed to what a lot of youth in Africa is actually known for. They want to become this, they want to become that without doing the work. So I was able to learn that I should concentrate more on the things I need to do than what I want to become. So I got to Nigeria. I was able to put my ideas into perspective. I gave Protect Ozone another face entirely. And within a space of a year, I was able to train over 4,000 children, youth, farmers, and active citizens in sustainable agricultural practices. And also, we've distributed over 25,000 seeds and seedlings of vegetables, tree plants, and also deciduous trees across Nigeria. Number 1, to fight ozone layer depletion. Number 2, to combat hunger. Number 3, to fight ozone layer depletion, to fight hunger, and also to eradicate poverty. This has been my little contribution in the sphere of my engagement. So also, we are trying to innovate localized technology, which I call innovative, not innovation. Innovation that is very native. What we need in Africa are things that are able to work in Africa. I've really learned a lot from Yali. Everything I've become now has been through Yali, because Yali actually exposed me to opportunities inherent in me. Before now, I was unable to show the world that I'm a farmer. I used to be a farmer. But now, Yali gave me the confidence to show the world that I'm a farmer. Currently, one campaign will be sending me to Germany to represent the country Nigeria in the future of rural agriculture come April 21st. These are opportunities, so many opportunities I can't mention, just here. In the year 2016, after Yali program, I got the African Youth Award for Agriculture, 2016. These are opportunities I never dream of in my life, and they are actually happening. So Yali has actually helped to build my capacity. My advice to the present cohort and the upcoming cohort is this: focus more on what you have to do and not what you want to become. By so doing, you will get to the peak you've been eyeing. You'll be more satisfied with your life. And also, I want you to understand that Yali is not a competition. Community development projects, they are not competitions. We need to collaborate with each other. This is an opportunity for you to meet with participants from other countries. You can actually stretch yourself to other 9 African countries without any stress. This is the opportunity it's giving us. So what I'm trying to say is that we need to collaborate. Also, I want to advise all the countries to have Yali alumni chapters registered under your country, so that you can access so much opportunity from your country. You'll be able to actually push for policies as a Yali alumni. So I believe this. I am Sipasi Olalekan Ayodele. I'm a Yali fellow. I'm from Nigeria. I believe that the future of the world lies in the rural community. Let's continue to go to the rural community to impact more lives as we grow in Africa. Africa shall be our continent. Thank you.